The substitution method is used to solve a system of equations. Substitution means replace one variable with what it equals. First, look for an equation that is already solved for one variable. Here, y equals x plus 1 is already solved for y, so we use that one. Now we take x plus 1 and replace y in the other equation. Wherever you see y, you plug in x plus 1 instead. Now the equation has only x terms. Combine like terms to make it simpler. Solve the equation to find the value of x. Here we get x equals 2. Now we plug x equals 2 back into the equation y equals x plus 1. We can also plug it back into the second equation, it doesn't matter. That gives us y equals 3. The solution to the system is the ordered pair 2, 3. This point makes both equations true. This example will show the process clearly from start to finish. Pay attention to the written explanations as each step appears on the screen. If you can substitute correctly and solve carefully, the system will always lead to one solution.